With BlendFX, you can seamlessly integrate stunning visual effects into your scenes without ever leaving the familiar Blender interface. Whether you're working on animations, game development, or VFX projects, BlendFX empowers you to achieve professional-grade results with ease. Key features: real-time effects. Experience instant feedback as you manipulate and customize visual effects directly within Blender's viewport. Extensive library. Access a rich library of pre-built effects ranging from explosions and fire simulations to dynamic weather effects and magical spells. The possibilities are limitless. Customization options. Tailor effects to suit your specific needs with intuitive controls and parameters. Adjust colors, intensities, sizes, and behaviors to achieve the perfect look for your project. Seamless integration. BlendFX seamlessly integrates into Blender's native workflow, ensuring a smooth and intuitive user experience. Simply install the add-on and start creating captivating visual effects in seconds. Performance optimization. Built with performance in mind, BlendFX utilizes efficient algorithms and optimizations to deliver fast and responsive real-time rendering. Elevate your projects with stunning real-time visual effects. Try BlendFX today.